Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video shows how to view a saved Gmail password on a PC when Chrome autofill isn't entering the correct password. So let's get started. I am trying to open my account, and Google Chrome is saying that your password is wrong. I want to know the correct password of this account. So do not worry if you're using Google Chrome, there is not a problem for knowing the right password. Step 1. Open a new tab in Google Chrome, and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Step 2. Go down to Settings from the menu, 3-dot Settings. Step 3. In Chrome Settings, choose Autofill and Passwords. Then Google Password Manager to manage saved password. Step 4. In the Password Manager list, scroll or search to find the entry for gmail.com or google.com where Gmail login appears. Step 5. Click that entry. Chrome will prompt you for your PC password, Windows password, as a security check. After entering your system password, the saved Gmail password appears. Click the eye icon or similar to reveal it. Copy the revealed password and paste it into the Gmail login page. Then press Enter to sign in. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.